All right, Juvenalis, now tell me about Streetnisers. What does Streetnisers do? Unaenda tu unachukua watoto on the streets, or what exactly do you do?
Streetnisers is like what Cliff was saying when he was here on Saturday. Going to the streets, meeting them one-on-one, hearing their issues, their problems. Personally, I don't give them food, because I would want someone like Cliff to team up with me, because giving them food and leaving them there is not the key thing. I pick them. I pick like 20, I'm at 10. I take them to Streetnisers, because Streetnisers, the word is street and nice. Somebody from the street, then you put him, you make him nice, because nice, you change the Z to C. That's the nice biscuit. And after putting them at Streetnisers, I start talking to them. Shave their hair, give them some water to take a shower, give them food, and let them sleep. Because most of the time, if you ask Caleb, they don't sleep in the streets because of course, we know what happens. We know what even happened when Obama was coming. They were taken to somewhere and they are back now. So after that, I'm able to tell these 10 boys out of the 10, 5 will remain, 5 will disappear. So what do we need? Our mechanism of governance. We need some mechanism. When I pick the boys, we need some mechanism whereby they don't come back. Then I'm able to stay with them for about 6 months and identify huyu ataenda shule, huyu atafanya hii, huyu atafanya hii, and it has worked for 10 years, Michael. And it can work, because in Kenya we have around 300,000 street families, and 300 street families, according to the population of this country, and the way we have a lot of potential, this is a very small thing. It can be worked.
It can be done.
It can be done.
Caleb,
Michael.
To a message to those who are watching, and possibly the fact that Juvenalis gave you almost a lease of life. He allowed you to be the person you can be. He gave you the chance to have that potential. What would you say to all those people out there watching? What difference can they make to street families should they have the opportunity?
The big like tunaweza fanya, don't look outside. Siangalia ukipita kwa street, wacha kuangalia kijana outside vile amevaa. Hiyo nguo chafu vile yako nini. Hiyo nguo ndio inaitwa chokora. Watu wengine wajui. Juu mimi nikitoa hiyo nguo chafu, nivae nguo safi, utaniita chokora. Utaniita venye naitwa Caleb. So nikivaa hiyo nguo chafu unaniita chokora. So hiyo nguo ndio inaitwa chokora. Nilizaliwa na mama vile umezaliwa, na wazazi pia umezaliwa. So hiyo nguo ndio inaitwa chokora. So usiangalie hiyo nguo chafu kwa hiyo kijana. Muangalie inside, anaweza na mali. Like Juvenalis aliniangalia ndani, hakuniangalia nje. Because tulisumbuana before tukae na yeye. Natoroka, ananirudisha, alikuwa ameona kitu naweza change. Na hiyo so wa Kenya tuko karibu 43 million. 42. Wakaamua kuchukua kijana moja, mtu ajiamulie tu nachukua huyu kijana moja ni mchenji na huyu. Street tuwezi kuwa huku kwa hii Kenya yetu tuwezi kuwa na chokora, sasa vijana naitwa chokora. Wote wanaweza change. Kama ni decide sasa niko na hiyo 10 years hiyo 9 years sasa sijatumia glue, sigara na nini na nilichange. Hata hao wanaweza change. So wasiangalie nje, angalie inside.